To my dearest Noel, alam mo bang 2 beses kitang minahal? Una, noong nakilala kita at makita ko lahat ng magagandang katangian. Kung gaano kabuti ang puso mo at kung paano mo ko tratuhin ng tama. That's when I started to admire you. Lalo na nung makita ko na mahal mo din sila, Mama.
Noong mas nakilala kita at nakita ko naman ang mga mali sa'yo. Pero mas pinili ko pa rin mahalin ka. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na habang buhay kitang mahal sa kung saan ka malakas at kung saan ka mahina.
Beb, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na andito na tayo sa puntong ikakasal na tayo. Simula sa araw na ito, tinakatanggap kita bilang asawa ko.
Today we are here to celebrate love. Love organizes our large and sometimes unpredictable world. It is that which enshrines and endows our human experience. It is the basis for the peace of the family and the peace of the peoples of the earth.
Makakaasa kang andito lang ako sa lahat ng bagay. Asahan mo sa lahat ng bagay magiging kasangga mo ako. Andito ako para suportahan at alagaan ka.
I have this favorite lyrics in Sa Bawat Sandali. Say, kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. And that's you. You're the person I turn to when the world feels overwhelming. You're the place I find peace and comfort and I feel at home. Parang kahit saan pa tayo mapunta, basta kasama ka, alam kong magiging okay lahat. Salamat kasi nandyan ka. I am out of words to tell you how grateful I am to have you in my life. Thank you for all the days that you made me feel loved and appreciated.
The good times and bad, and how we held hands. So don't be afraid, even if the sun won't shine, the stars won't glow, and the moon won't gleam down on you. I'll be holding hand in hand. I'll keep you safer till my last breath. Your heart will be safer with me. Storms may come, I will stay calm. Hold you in my arms when we fall to
Ayun
the ground.
maraming salamat kasi sa lahat ng suporta nyo ni Papa palagi sa akin kahit ano man mangyari, lagi nyo kasi suportahan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you kasi nandyan ka. At saka mahal mo kami ni ate. Mahal mo kami ni na ma'am.
Wala ba?
Mahal ka namin talaga. Love you, pa.
And I stand here today with one promise, to love you endlessly for the rest of my life. I can't wait to have a good life with you. Thank you for sharing your world with me. It's a privilege to be part of it. Mahal na mahal kita at palagi kitang pipiliin.
Simula ngayon, iisa na tayo. Hayaan mo kung iparamdam sa iyo ang pagmamahal ko. Salamat sa lahat, lalong-lalo na sa suporta at tiwala na binibigay mo sa akin.
I'll stay with you until the world ends. It's always the two of us holding hand in hand. I'll keep you safer till my last breath. Your heart will be safer with
Magkahawak kamay tayong haharapin ang mga suliranin at responsibility. I love you, Papa.